In this video, we're going to use the law of sines to solve a word problem. The path of a satellite orbiting the Earth causes it to pass directly over two tracking stations A and B, which are 50 miles apart. When the satellite is on one side of the two stations, the angle of elevation at A and B are measured to be 87 degrees and 84.2 degrees, respectively. How far is a satellite from station A? So when it comes to these questions, I like to start off with just drawing a picture so I can actually see it a little bit more clearly than just reading a question. So we have some satellite in orbit, and we know that on the Earth we have station A and station B. Now it says that the satellite is on one side of the two stations, so I'm going to put the satellite just a little bit over here. So we have station A and tracking station B. So both of them are, or the satellite is to this side of both stations. Again, not an accurate picture, just something I can guide myself to. So it says the angle of elevation at A and B are measured to be 87 degrees and 84.2 degrees respectively. So that means this angle here is 87 degrees, and this angle here is 84.2 degrees. Now, how does that help me for the law of sines? I only have one angle in here instead of two. Well, what I know is that I can figure out this angle measurement because assuming it is a flat piece of land that station A is on, that if this is 87 degrees, that the entire length from one to the other, the angle measurement would be 180. So what I can do is I can do 180 minus 87, and that'll end up giving me 93 degrees. So that is what's going to be the interior here for A is 93 degrees. Now I also know that between A and B, it's 50 miles apart. So I can say 50 miles. Now, I have these two angles here, and I have this one side. Still can't use law of sines yet, don't have everything I need. What I need is this angle here, and this angle for the satellite is just 180 minus the two interior angles. So again, 180 minus 93 minus 84.2. And that's going to end up giving me 2.8 degrees. So this angle measurement here is 2.8 degrees. Now that I have this angle measurement and its opposite side, I can figure out the length from station A to the satellite, so this unknown length. To do that, I'm going to use B. So law of sines says sine of 2.8 over 50 is equal to sine of 84.2 over x, because I don't know. Now I'm just going to solve for x. So multiply the x over, divide the sine 2.8 over, multiply the 50 over, and I'm going to get x equals 50 sine 84.2 over sine 2.8. Plug that into your calculator, make sure it's in degree mode, not radian, and we're going to get to the whole number 1,018 miles. So the distance from station A to the satellite in orbit, 1,018 miles.